Ultraven, Blue LED Light Transilluminator. Blue LED Light Transilluminator is a commonly used instrument in molecular laboratories. It is used for clearly observing stained nucleic acids and proteins in gels, replacing traditional UV transilluminators. Product features. Product application. With a wide range of applications, it is suitable for research in molecular biology, molecular genetics, fundamental sciences, and experimental diagnostics. Transilluminator, gel cutting. Ultraven